Hi, I'm Wendy Tomlinson from The Empowered Mindset. Join me for this short EFT session to build confidence and feel calm. The calmer we can feel, the more we feel able to be confident. Okay, so even though I'm not feeling calm and confident right now, I'm doing this EFT session to release any low emotions, any low energy, so that I can feel calmer and more confident, so that I can start building real inner calm and inner confidence. And I know that I can come back to this EFT session whenever I need a boost, whenever I need to feel calmer, whenever I need to feel more confident. And I can come back to this session anytime that I want to keep building real inner confidence and real inner calm, so that I return to these states very, very quickly. So what we're going to do now is we're going to tap through the EFT points, and we are just going to say the words calm and confident for this round. Calm. Confident. Calm. Confident. Calm. Confident. Calm. Confident. Calm. We're tapping on the collarbone here. Calm. Confident. So now I'm going to say some affirmations as I tap through the EFT points again. With every breath I take, I feel calmer and more confident. With every breath I take, I feel calmer and more confident. Every time I return to this EFT session, I'm building a real, deep, inner calm, inner confidence that I can return to at any time. Missed a point there. Feeling calmer and confident. Feeling calmer and confident. As I return to this calm state, I allow my confidence to grow. I can return to this calm and confident state at any time. I can just say the words, I'm calm and confident. I'm calm and confident. And as I tap on these special EFT points, these doorways into my energy body, I release anything that no longer serves me. I release anything that keeps me from feeling calm and confident. I'm calm and confident. I'm calm and confident. The more I focus on these words, the more I tap on these words, the better I feel. My energy body is supporting me. My subconscious mind is supporting me. And I'm building new beliefs that support and empower me. I'm calm and confident. I'm calm and confident. And I can return to this state whenever I need. Whenever I want to feel calm and confident, I just say the words. And I can tap to add that positive energy to the words, to release any resistance, to release any low emotions or energy blocks, so that I keep building a really strong sense of inner calm and inner confidence. I really hope you've enjoyed today's EFT session. Check out the links for loads more guidance in this area. Take care. Bye.